Did you know the real Pocahontas story was so dark that someone replaced it entirely, and that version has fooled people for 4 centuries? Her real name was Amanute. She was about 10 years old when English colonists first arrived on her land. At 17, those same colonists kidnapped her and held her hostage to control her father, the powerful chief Powhatan. While captive, she was converted to Christianity and given a new name, Rebecca. Then she was married off to a tobacco farmer named John Rolfe. She never chose any of it. In 1616, the Virginia Company sailed her to London. She was paraded before the royal court like a trophy. Living proof, they said, that natives could be civilized, that the colony was worth funding. She was a marketing tool for an empire. She never made it home. In 1617, at just 21 years old, she died on the ship before it even left the Thames River. The Disney version didn't soften the story. It erased a real person and replaced her with a fantasy.